Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Negative.
What does the dictionary say?
Expressing or containing negation or denial.
Math rap.
I can explain negative in a flash. Before any number, it's marked by a dash. A value that is less than 0 tells a minus tail. It often heads left on an integer scale.
Math rap.
What did -1 say to -9 when -3, -5, and -7 were added to the guest list? I have an odd feeling things are about to get more negative. Tell me all your negative thoughts. I mean your thoughts on this topic of all things negative. What kind of negative things in life can test us from being our best? Fun fact, when you multiply two negative numbers, you get a positive. Example, -5 times -4 equals 20. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!